Hello everyone, I'm Nandana from Indiahikes. Today I'm here to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about renting gear. I have 5 questions with me that our trekkers ask very frequently. Question number 1. How do I rent gear? Now, after you register for your trek, you can rent gear directly from your dashboard. It's an entirely online process where the portal will be open until a day before the trek. But please note, the gear is subject to availability only. So do not wait until the last minute and rent as soon as you make your trek booking. Question 2. Where will I get the gear? You will be getting your rented gear once you reach the base camp. Our slope team will give you the gear, and once you come back from the trek, you return the gear at the base camp itself. So this way you do not have to travel with your gear in hand. Question 3. What are the costs involved in renting gear? Apart from the fee that you pay when you book the gear online, once you reach the base camp, you need to pay a security deposit for each gear that you rent. Now the cost of this security deposit is already mentioned on the rental site. You can go there and check it out. So this deposit will be given back to you once you come back from the trek and return the rented gear. Question 4. What happens if there is a damage or loss of the gear that I rented? In case if there is any damage or loss, our slope team will deduct from the security deposit that you paid. In case if there is a severe damage or loss of the gear where the cost of the gear is higher than the amount that you paid for deposit, then our slope team may charge you extra for it. So it entirely depends on the degree or the severity of the damage or loss. So make sure you take good care of the gear that you rent. Question 5. Can I exchange the size of my gear once I reach the base camp? This is where I'll have to say no. So when you make the booking online for your rental gear, make sure you opt the right size that fits you. Because at the base camp, the chances are the size that you're looking for is already taken by someone else. So there's no guarantee for you that you'll get the size that you're looking for. While booking itself, make sure you opt for the right size. I have a pro tip for you here, especially for your shoe. When you opt for a shoe size, always go for one size higher than your regular sports shoe. For example, if your shoe size is UK 7, go for UK 8. And on our rental site, you have the size chart for every gear. So refer to it before you go ahead and make the payment for that gear. I hope this video answered most of your questions about renting gear. We'll be making more videos on FAQs. If you have any question, put it in the comments below and we'll address it through our content. This is Nandana from Indiahikes.